critics think about, you know, this question that's been posed, and I usually have no idea. So I think, well, what would Simon and Garfunkel say? Turns out, Art Garfunkel, actually, an avid Latin student as a teenager, and he addressed Iarbas in one of his youthful essays, which became a great song of the great folk pop duo, but with different lyrics. So we actually found the original manuscript of what this song was supposed to sound like. And it has to do with this passage of book 4. So let's see how it goes.
It's the only copy.
We may do 2 takes.
All right.
Okay.
Hello, Iarbas, my old friend. We've come to talk to you again. You know that refugee you sold some land. You asked, but she would not give you her hand. She laughed as if you were a two-bit Gaetulian clown. She turned you down. You had no chance with Dido. Hero washed ashore with 20 comrades, maybe more. It's quite a girly man retinue. They have somewhat cooler hats than you. It was you that gave her the right to till the soil. Your blood must boil. He's shacking up with Dido. They say that Jupiter's your dad. He hurls the lightning when he's mad. Perhaps you're terrified of him in vain. You worship nothing but an empty fame. And I'm not really sure that he sees what's going on. You're just a pawn. You'll never get with Dido. There's more. Garamantia nymphs your mom. Zeus did not take her to the prom. But that does not mean he is not your dad. He's omnipotent, that can't be bad. You should pray to him on the chance he could ease your pain. Maybe he can talk sense to Dido. After all you've done for him, 100 temples in your realm, each equipped with altars and a flame, and now he can't quite recall your name. The earth was fat with the blood of your slaughtered sheep, flowers 3 feet deep, yet still you struck out with Dido.